Welcome in to another stitch tutorial. Today we're going to do the treble and half treble. Now we need to make a slip knot to begin our work. There's different ways to make a slip knot. You make it the way that you feel comfortable doing so. Now we're going to do a chain of however many we need. I'm going to do one of 12. And then from here, we are going to yarn over. And we're not counting what's on our hook because that is our working loop. We're looking underneath at the chains. Now let's just get in a little bit closer. There we are. That should help you. Okay, we're going into the 5th away from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now ordinarily we'd only yarn over once if we're doing a double, but for treble we need to actually do 2. Treble means 3, and now we have 3 on our hook. From here into that 5th chain we're going to go in, yarn over, pull through. We're making a half treble to begin with. We've got 4 on our hook. We yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the remaining. Sorry about that, had a coughing fit, wasn't expected. Okay, so yarn over for 3 on your hook, into the next chain, one that we haven't used yet, which is this one here. We're going to go in front to back, take our yarn and over the hook and bring through like so. And to make this half treble, yarn over, pull through 2, and when you have 3 left on your hook, we yarn over again and bring through all 3 on our hook. Okay. Now this chain at the beginning is an acting treble crochet. We will get to the trebles, but let's do a couple more half treble first. Both the half treble and the treble, you yarn over twice. Makes a nice tall stitch. Now, as you can see, this one is worked already because it's coming out of this chain. So we want to go into the next non-worked chain. In, yarn over, pull through, 4 on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2 so that you have 3 on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. Oops, without removing your hook. Okay, so YOH, yarn over hook, yarn over hook again. Find the next non-worked chain, which is just here. In we go. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2. and then yarn over and pull through the remaining 3 on your hook. So YOH, YOH, next non-working CH, chain, in, front to back, yarn over, YOH, pull through, 4 on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 3. Now as you practice your crochet, you will naturally start turning your hook when you go into stitches. As you will see, if I do this in a little bit of an exaggerated motion, when I go into a hook, into a chain, sorry, I go in and I know I need to bring the yarn over. I then tend to face the hook toward me because I'm holding the project toward me. So it makes it easier to bring through the loops. If it's facing down, it may well catch on the loop. The same if it's facing up. So with me pulling slightly the project toward me, it elongates that loop, giving my hook a little bit more room to go through. So I've yarned over and I'm pulling through, and there was a twist. Yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 3. So let's go again. Now if I do that now, that will be a double. We need to make sure there are triple for the treble. So don't do 1, do 2 yarn overs into the next non-worked stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the remaining 3 on your hook. Let's do the last half treble on the end. In we go, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 3. So hopefully you've managed to do your half trebles. If you have, give yourself a pat on the back if you can reach. But for now, we're going to carry on to the trebles. So we are going to chain 4 to give the height of the treble. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then turn. Okay, now again, the bit that you should be used to is a double yarn over. Into the next stitch, in, bring up your loop, yarn over and pull through 2. Now wait, you're not doing a half treble, this is a treble now. So we yarn over, and instead of pulling through all 3, we're pulling through 2 remaining on the hook, and we're yarning over and pulling through the remaining 2. So it's just a couple more steps on the treble than there was with the half treble. And yes, I know I missed that one out. I know. Yarn over, into the next non-worked stitch. We're going in front to back, yarn over once, pull through, 4 on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2, 3 on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2, 2 on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2. So you're starting to see the slight difference between the half double and the double. Let's do some more. Yarn over twice into the next non-work stitch. In we go. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through the remaining 2. Nice tall stitch. So let's finish. Double yarn over into the next, yarn over, 4 on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, 3 on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, 2 on your hook, yarn over, pull through both to finish the treble. Yarn over twice into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2 again. Now if this is going too fast, you can always go into the video settings and slow down. You can pause, and of course you can repeat. Yarn over twice into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2. 2 more stitches to go. Double yarn over into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through the last 2. Now let's get that last stitch, which you may think we've just done. Well, we haven't, because we have this. This marries up. They all marry up, but this needs something above it. So, in to the top of the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Now with the treble, unless the pattern suggests otherwise, when you do your chain, it will usually act as a treble crochet. Also, it would always be, unless the pattern states, a 4 chain when you've finished a row. So there is your half treble and your treble, with the half treble being just slightly smaller than the treble being 2 steps extra. But there we have it. Your half treble, your treble, done. Hopefully that has been of use to you, and hopefully you like my hook by Jelena at Cutlery Designs. She custom makes to your specification. If you fancy taking a look, in the description below, underneath that thumbs up if it was of any use, and of course that lovely subscribe button if you're willing. Hopefully I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.